Okay, so in this tutorial, we are going to discuss a very cool update from the Google Sheets that Google Sheets has launched a few days back. Previously, we were using different kind of online platforms for our project management planning and for project management. But now the Google has launched its own project management within the Google Sheets. And this is exactly the same that I have built in the Google Sheets with the help of project management tool, which you can find in the Google Sheets with the label as timeline view. So it is very easy for anyone that to see on a broader canvas that what is planning for each stage is anything that's task mentioned over here, which is overlapping with each other, is also clashing with other tasks. So due to all these reasons, we will use the project management tool to plan our project. So let's create this. Let me delete this one and let me tell you how you can create this with only a few clicks. Alright, so this is my dummy data. So I have created this dummy data just to demonstrate you. This is basically a YouTube channel planning from launch till it's running. So to create this kind of timelines and project management planning in the Google Sheets, you need 6 columns. One is start date, then end date, description, owner, and category, and also color code. With all 3 columns, with these 3 columns where I have right description, owner, and category, you can change it according to your need and preferences, because I just demonstrating you, and later we will discuss in this tutorial that how you can change all these things. So simply select the data. This is my only data. Now go into the insert menu, go into the insert and go to the timeline. Here it is asking that you have to select the range, but we have already selected the range. So we don't need to give it the range, but if you want to change it, you can also do that. So simply click on OK and boom, you have within a click that view. Now discuss a few steps in this view that are important for you. So on the right side, you can see the settings field here. You can select the data range or you can change the data range. Then you have to mention your start date, which start date we have column A here. Then you have to give the second column, which is the end date or any duration, which is we have in the column B. Now third thing is card title. For card title, I have used column C, right, for the description, right to description, but you can set as an objective. You can set the objective here, and after that we have some optional fields, which is the card color code, which we have already mentioned here what will be the colors. If you want to apply some conditional formatting, that you can also do with the conditional formatting. And also in here, that's the card details that we have used this owner, right? So for the owner, you can also write the objective and what's the description of the objective. So that will be shown here just like the title, and after that the details for the title. So let me select here column D. Now you can see that there is the 13 topics and content research. Who will be the owner? That will be the Josh. For script writing for 13 videos, that will be the Dave. All that thing that you can do with this or you can play with it, and also the color code, but you can also change it by here as it is. So let me check this one. For example, there are 4 categories that's assigned here in this canvas. You can also change it, like if you want to see in a group view, that we can also do. So simply in the card group, you can go to E, which is my group here. So you can see also in a group view. So don't worry about the things, you can play with it by your own. I'm just demonstrating you. So now let me remove this one. And also you can increase your timeline, just like you can see different kind of view with the timelines. Here you can see the days. So everything will be according to the days. Now you can also change to weeks and also change to months, right? But now let me select the years, but also you can change it to multiple years. So you can also see which is a comfortable view, condensed view, or also zoom here, and also open the settings from here. And not only like this, you can also, if you have to share something with your team, you have to simply click over here, save as an image, and it will be saved here, and you can share after that. So this is it for today for the new update from the Google Sheets. If this tutorial helps you to learn something new, so don't forget to like this video and also mention your thoughts in the comment sections down below. We will see you in the next tutorial. Until then, take your good care and keep watching 5 Minute Session.